Hello and welcome to my final project, FoodApp, an app to help you manage your food and food supply. Let's log in. So here's the home page. You've got a list of all your favorite recipes. You can click here to plan them, and as you plan them, it's gonna edit a shopping list of everything you need to buy to be able to cook them all, considering what you already have in stock. So you just select. Of course, if you don't select anything, your shopping list is going to be empty because you didn't plan any recipes. But if you plan some, it's going to edit it. So you take your list, you go to the grocery store, you buy everything, come back home. Here you just have to click this button, add all to stock, to put these new ingredients in your stock. And when you come back to my recipes, here you have this green badge telling you that you have, for each individual recipe, you have all the ingredients you need to cook it. Once you had a nice meal, you've been cooking it using the ingredients, you can click here on done, and it will remove all the ingredients you needed to cook this particular recipe. It will remove it from your stock. For example, here it's rice with soya sauce, so 1 kilogram of rice and 5 milliliter of soya sauce. Let's check in my stock. Here it took away some soya sauce and I had 3 kilograms of rice. Now I only have 2 kilograms left, and let's try with this one, rice and carrot, 1 kilogram of rice, and click done. And okay, rice, it's removed from my stock and I don't have carrots at all anymore. Okay, and when I plan or unplan a recipe, it's possible that this green badge is put away from another recipe. This is because they share one ingredient. In the case of those two recipes, it's 1 kilogram of rice and I have only one left in my stock. So if I plan to cook this one, I won't have all the ingredients to cook this one. That's why it updates depending on which recipe is planned. So now let's look at how it goes when I create a new recipe. First I have to write the title and the recipe itself. Okay, so once I have written this down, I can go to the second step, add ingredients. So let's look at some eggs, some cheese, 100 grams, and some mushrooms. Okay, I could go back in the process to maybe edit something, but everything seems good. So I'm gonna check last time and save. And when I save, it brings me back to my home page and I can see here my scrambled eggs recipe. And okay, if I plan it, I see I don't have the needed ingredients in my shopping list. Okay, is everything needed to do this recipe. Okay, that's it. Thank you a lot for watching. Bye bye.